Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thank you for tuning into Rules for Rebels. Today I just wanted to show off kind of a streaming tool that I just stumbled upon last night actually. And if you guys watched my live stream yesterday, we had Brian or B from Bounce Back B on Instagram, the YouTube channel Bounce Back Life After Prison. Really interesting live stream, really interesting interview. Check it out if you haven't seen it already. But when I was kind of getting ready for the live stream with Brian, he was asking me, he said, is there a way that we can stream on your YouTube channel and my YouTube channel? And he had asked kind of a couple other things, and he kind of got me kind of thinking about live streaming and kind of upping the production quality, adding a bit more flair to it. And there's been a tool around for a long time called OBS that allows you to do this stuff. I've never really liked OBS. It seems a little bit confusing to me. There's a little bit of a learning curve to using it. And I happened to stumble upon this thing called StreamLabs, which, if I'm not mistaken, actually runs over the top of the OBS system. But it kind of makes it a little bit more user-friendly, and they have a lot of kind of fun tools. So, let me just pull up my StreamLabs really quick, and I want to show you guys a couple videos of exactly what this can do. So, excuse me, guys. So as you can see here, on the screen, I have a follower goal of 100,000. We're at 81%. I have kind of a box with me right here. I have my logo in the corner. There's all different types of stuff we can do, but as you guys can kind of see here, we have these different overlays. So if I turn, I don't have anybody live, but the chat box would be appearing right here if you guys were talking. We have an alert box, which if somebody donates, somebody subscribes, anything like that, it's going to show up as an alert over here. The image is this Rules for Rebels image right here. Video capture is that. But really what we can do here, everything can be turned on and off. So we can turn the video capture off. We can turn it back on. If we wanted to get rid of that image, we can get rid of that image just with a click of a box. But there's all other types of different kind of tools as well. So, we can add another video playing in the corner, and this can actually be used to live stream as well as record. So I know a lot of people ask me about like screen captures and things like that. I'm a big fan of screencastomatic. It's really easy to use. But if you want to add a little bit more flair, maybe you want some word scrolling across the top of the screen, maybe you want to put up some type of banner for a sponsor. This allows you to do all of that. They have an alert box. Which again, you have little alerts pop up when people donate, when people subscribe, follow, etc. We have a view counter that we can put up on the screen. I'm not sure how the stream boss works. I don't know if it's if people donate or people are active on the channel. We have a sponsor banner. Credits can appear at the end of your video. Subscription goal. List of upcoming events. We can put labels. These are kind of cool for new followers, new subscribers, etc. Tip jar to collect tips. We can spin a wheel to I guess choose different. If we wanted to ask a question and have the wheel determine something, we could spin that. But really kind of a neat tool here, and I wanted to quickly show you guys. Let me throw on my headphones so I can actually hear what's going on. But some people get really kind of clever with the stuff that they stream. They do have an option of this available for your mobile phone, and I thought this was clever. This kid's made a fortune live streaming his Uber rides. I believe he's actually been kicked off of Uber, but let me play this for you for a few minutes.
You said it's 2 jobs at once?
Yeah, it's like doing 2 jobs. Oh no, just like Ubering and live streaming on YouTube.
Text from mom. I just changed your sheets again on your bed. You're leaving brown stains on the bed. You're old enough to wipe your own butt. It's not hard.
How do I explain that?
So basically, he's live streaming his Uber and Lyft passengers. Obviously, Uber and Lyft don't really like this. I believe in one of his videos he shows he actually got canceled from Uber and Lyft. But I thought this was kind of a clever way of, everybody wants to say some kind of goofy comment to the people in his car, and $3, $3. The kid was making a fortune. I'm going to show you another video in a minute here where we made $2,000 sleeping. And he just finds really kind of clever ways to make it really kind of fun and interactive, and in the process gets a lot of donations. So I'll play this for a little bit longer for you.
Whatever the explanation.
I'm an adult and I can drive, so I.
He is lying to you. This is a chatterbait stream and there is 600 people fapping to you right now.
No, you fucking
He also sniffs your seats with his shirt off when you leave.
Oh my fucking god. Yeah, dude, I got no lives. My family, at least.
Text from Mom. Steven, I know you are lonely, but please do not steal my panties anymore.
So he's got a lot of videos like that. Here was kind of a clever one. So here he's streaming and kind of invites his audience to interrupt him while he's sleeping. We can kind of see how this plays out here.
What's up, guys? I'm gonna go to bed. Don't get me in trouble with my parents. Thank you. You guys wanted this stream? I said it was a terrible idea. Well, mainly because I haven't slept in a long time. So, alright, have a good night, guys.
Fuck burger.
God fucking damn it. Oh, God.
How you gonna sleep without beating your meat first, bruh?
So here he's got subwoofers in his bedroom, and somehow people are able to, I guess, drop in clips or drop in audio. So they're dropping like Call of Duty and basically just trying to disturb his sleep and bother him.
What have subs? I actually have subwoofers, dude. Fuck. I have subwoofers. Why did I turn on the subwoofers?
Anyhow, as you can see here, you can get really kind of creative with this and do a lot of different kind of fun stuff. But even just for your average kind of stream, if you want to kind of add a bit more flair, add a bit more excitement, I think there is a way to where I could put a cowboy hat on my head here and kind of do other things. I just downloaded this. I discovered it last night. Watched a couple videos, did a little bit of research on how this works. You can kind of set up some kind of chat bot to. Let me take these headphones off. I'm like double hearing myself. But you can set up this chatbot, I think, to auto-respond to a lot of kind of basic comments. Oh, so here you can see I just got a subscriber, so we got this zombie running across the screen. And there is a way, let's see, alert. There is a way in these alerts to kind of change the, let's see, default. Yeah, I got to continue playing around with it. There is a way that we can kind of like change the alerts and things that happen. I'm sure I can change this from a zombie to something else, but really kind of a neat tool. And you know, this could be utilized for going live as well as just kind of recording videos to put up later. I've been thinking about. I put up my first course on Udemy just to kind of see how it works. It was a merch course. I thought there was good information in there. I haven't, you know, the production end of it could have been upped a little bit. But I thought something like this could be perfect for that. You know, I could have myself here talking if I wanted to show like a background image and then show like a screenshot of something on Shopify or Amazon merch or something else. I could do that. But a lot of different things that you can kind of do with this tool. I'm going to continue playing around with it, try to kind of learn learn it a little bit better. I'm going to try to use this on my next live stream. I will have to kind of figure out how this interacts with Hangouts if I want to invite somebody else on the stream as well. But overall, for any of you guys who are thinking about getting into streaming, or I want to start making videos and maybe want to kind of start off kind of upping your game as opposed to just using screencastomatic, if I were to hit record right here, it would start. OBS would start recording everything on my screen, and any of these other features I wanted to add. So just thought this was kind of a cool tool. You know, Brian yesterday had kind of asked me some different things about like, you know, can we both stream at the same time? Can you do this? Can you do that? And for the longest, you know, I've tried out OBS a little bit in the past. I never really got that comfortable with it, and I hadn't really been doing a ton of live streaming. But looks like a really, really neat tool. If you guys decide to try this out, if there's any features about this you get hung up on or anything that you kind of get stuck on, let me know. I'd be happy to help. There was really only one kind of goofy thing that I got caught up on, which let me show you guys here. So when I add the window capture, that's basically what's getting my browser here. Mine was showing up black, and I saw on the StreamLabs like tutorials and help desk, as well as on Reddit. There were a lot of people asking about this. If you decide to download this and try it out, in order to get it to work with Chrome, what you're going to have to do is click those three dots in the upper corner, hit settings, go down to advanced settings, go down to system, and you're going to need to turn this use hardware acceleration when available off. If this is on, you're going to get a black screen showing up here where you see my browser. So that's really the only thing that I kind of got hung up on. But yeah, really neat tool here. If any of you guys are using this, drop a comment with any other like tips or hacks or tricks that I'm missing out on here. And if any of you guys decide to try this out and run into any problems, again, I've just been using this for about the past hour. Far from an expert on it, but happy to help out if I can. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.